Hi, my name is Gabriella, and I'm going to show you how to set up section headers and showcases in your catalogs on Edelweiss. As a catalog administrator, these features are a great way to keep your catalogs looking nice and organized, and showcases in particular are a perfect opportunity to draw some attention to your backlist titles. So let's get started by clicking into this demo catalog that I set up. And I just dropped some titles in here from Workman Publishing as an example because I'd like to show you what these sections and showcases look like before we get going on making our own. So I set up a section in this catalog which is devoted to a particular brand of Workman Publishing, which is Paint by Sticker. And so this is a section header that I created, and following upon this section are the two titles that I've included in this catalog that are part of this brand. Scrolling down, I then transition from that brand to another brand of Workman Publishing, which is their Summer Brain Quest, and that gets its own section header. And here are the Summer Brain Quest books. This is just one example of a way to section out your catalog. It might make more sense for you to create sections that correspond to different imprints, or maybe you would like sections that correspond to different themes. It's up to you. Turning to showcases, I have a showcase right here. So it's connected to this particular Summer Brain Quest title, unlike a section header, which is talking about a group of books. And this particular title is a Summer Brain Quest that's for between grades pre-K and K. So I've used this showcase to draw some attention to Brain Quest backlist that is also for kindergarten learners. So you can use your showcases to talk about backlist titles, but you can also use them to highlight books that might be the same theme. Maybe this is a Midwest author, and you'll create a showcase of more Midwest authors that you might love. Again, it's pretty flexible. So let's set up some more in this catalog. I'm scrolling to the top because I want to get to this edit button here. Clicking on it, I'm then going to click into the number of titles to manage the titles in this catalog. This is the screen where you will set up your showcases and your sections and make edits to showcases and sections that you've already created. Let's start with making new ones. I've already dropped in here some ISBNs that are barbecue related, so I want to group them into a section that I label barbecue. The way I do this is by clicking on the first title that I'd like in the section, and what pops up are more menu options, one of which is Insert Section Header. So we name it Barbecue. And I have some visibility options. I can make this visible only to catalog administrators or set it to everyone if I'd like. And I can keep this inactive, which is how it is right now. Maybe I'm building my catalog and I'm not ready for all these sections to be active, or I can make it active. Let's make it active. Okay. And there's our section. I can move titles in and out of it as I see fit. If I had some more ISBNs to add, I could click Add Title and add them. But these three make sense in the barbecue section, so I'm going to leave them there. And let's set up a showcase. I think we will keep this on the Barbecue Bible, and let's make a showcase that talks about the author's backlist. So again, I clicked on it, and what pops up is a button that's Insert Showcase. And this is a Stephen Reichlin book. And so I titled it Reichlin Backlist. And let's make it active and click Save and Edit. And here I just click to add titles. Paste in my ISBNs and add them. I can reorder these if I like. And we're all set. Let's click out of here. And here we are on the screen where we see our section and our showcase. And I can set up multiple showcases for the same title, or I can have, all the titles in the section could have their own showcase. So that's absolutely fine. If I wanted to make edits to a previously set up showcase, I would click on it, click on the link, and then click in to save and edit it. And here's where I would add more titles, reorder them as I see fit. This is the same way I would delete a showcase if I'd like to. It's much the same for sections. Click on the edit icon and I can rename it, delete it, make it inactive, and change the visibility on the screen that opens. Let's close this out so we can see what we set up. We're familiar with these sections and showcases. And here is our new barbecue section with our Reichland backlist showcase. And that's it for setting up your sections and showcases, but let's talk a little bit about navigating. When you are looking at a catalog with sections and showcases, you'll see at this tippy top here in this gray bar that there's a navigation bar with sections and showcases. So if I drop down, I can click on a particular section and head right there. And it's the same with showcases. Click on it and I'm right there. And these are public, so people, this is not just for you as a catalog administrator, but people viewing your catalog will be able to navigate it this way. You should be all set to get going setting up your own sections and showcases, but if you have any questions at all, you can reach out to us at support@abovethetreeline.com and we would be happy to help out. Thank you.